Let's see how you can easily save templates and reuse them elsewhere. In this lesson, I have already formatted the knowledge check section, so I want to turn it into a template. To do that, select any plus icon between blocks. Not to add anything, but just to bring up the block templates option. To add a template, select New Block Template. Then select the block or blocks to include in the template. In this case, I'll select a few consecutive blocks. When done, just select Save. Next, you're asked to assign a name to the template. It makes sense to give it a distinctive name, especially if you'll end up using a lot of these or you work on multiple different projects. By default, the template will be shared with anyone on your team, but you can turn it off. Now let's see how to insert the template in another lesson. Bring up the block library again and open the block templates category. Then select the template to use. Note that if you have many templates, you can use the search bar or the filtering options on the top. When you select a template, it is then inserted. Note that since it's a template, editing the inserted copy of it will not affect the original nor the template itself. To manage the templates, just bring up the category again and select the pencil icon to edit the assigned details or the bin icon to delete it. And that's it.